Hey guys, how's it going? Now, whether you prefer Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or even Brave browser, the one thing that all of them have in common is that they're all based on Chromium, which means that all of those browsers have access to the entire list of plethora of extensions that are available on the Chrome Web Store. Like I said, there's a massive library of extensions to choose from. So which ones should you be installing on your system? Well, that's what this video is all about. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, I'll be talking about 7 of the super cool and most essential extensions that you should install on your Chrome-based browser right now. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with some fun, and for that we have Custom Cursor. Now, as the name suggests, Custom Cursor allows you to have a custom cursor inside Chrome. The extension lets you customize your experience of using the Chrome browser with cool and free mouse cursors. What's more is that you can create your own collection of mouse cursors from any image you want. It's a very fun and creative way to customize your web browser as per your own liking. Now, while Chrome does have a bookmarks bar at the top, I have never really fancied it. Well, that's where this next extension comes in handy. Bookmark sidebar basically adds a toggleable sidebar with all your bookmarks at the edge of your browser window. It allows you to access your bookmarks by clicking on the left side of your screen. You can now edit, delete, or rearrange your bookmarks by simply dragging and dropping them, and you can even view information about them by just clicking them with your left mouse button. Okay, now if productivity is all you're about, you definitely need a tab manager. My recommendation, Workona Tab Manager. You can use Workona to manage tabs, organize projects, and bring together all of your work in the browser. It comes with workspaces that lets you organize your work by project, so it's easy to stay focused. Within a workspace, you can keep your current work open as tabs or save everything for a project as resources. It also saves all your tabs, so you don't have to worry about losing any data, and you can even access your apps such as Google Docs and Zoom meetings right within Workona. Okay, now growing up, one of the most used resource websites for me was Wikipedia. I think it still remains one of the most used resource websites for students and even researchers alike. Unfortunately, the interface now has become, well, not that easy to use. Well, that's where this next extension comes in handy. WikiWand presents Wikipedia but in a fresh and easy to read interface. It's all the same data, just presented in a more eye-pleasing manner. You can even customize the colors, fonts, and the layout. The quick preview option lets you hover over article links and see what you may get next before you click. Now, while we're on the topic of productivity and things that make everything easier, let's not forget that gestures make everything easy to use around us. Well, how about using some gestures inside your web browser? Enter CRX Mouse Chrome Gestures. It allows you to customize mouse gestures and make your browsing more productive and each mouse movement more effective. There are a handful of gestures preloaded that let you close the current tab, open a new window, move between tabs, and much more. What's more is that you can create your own gestures if you want. Now, isn't that cool? Okay, now if your web browsing involves going through websites that have a lot of images on them, such as Reddit's feed or maybe Amazon, you are going to love Hover Zoom Plus. All you need to do is hover your mouse over any image on the supported websites, and the extension will automatically enlarge the image to its full size, making sure that it still fits into the browser window. Best part here is that it works not just for images but for videos too. Last but not the least, this is an important one. See, a lot of you guys ask me what's the best antivirus software out there that helps you protect against online activities. And my first recommendation is not an antivirus software, but actually to have better online activities. In the sense that you should stay away from malicious websites in the first place. I mean, that's the best way to protect yourself from any harm. Now, how do you decide or understand what websites are malicious and which are not? That's where Web of Trust comes in. WOT or Web of Trust is a community-based extension that will warn you when you visit dangerous sites, scams, malware, phishing, rogue web stores, dangerous links, and much more. A small icon on your browser displays each site's rating and reputation, warning you of malicious websites before you visit them. Where red indicates potential danger, yellow tells you to be a little bit careful, and green means that it's safe. And well, that was it. As always, you can find the download or install links down there in the description box. Also, we have another video talking about some of the greatest extensions that you should install, which is what we made a couple of months back, but still holds good even to this date. So make sure to check that video out as well from the card here or the link down below. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Vam from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.